neat is my handy-dandy refrigerator coil brush. I get it right down at the hardware store or at Home Depot, something like that. They're easy to find, and it's got this narrow tapered fit so it can clean in these coils. I'll take off the front cover. We want to make sure that's clean and free of obstructions. A lot of times, like papers that are pinned up on the fridge, they get sucked in there, and that slows down the breeze that goes across these coils that makes the refrigerator cool. So you get this handy-dandy brush, and I'll just kind of push it in there. You want to be careful and keep an eye open for papers and things, and also so that you don't hit the fan down below. I keep my vacuum handy for when I'm pulling out all this stuff, so I can vacuum it up right away. It keeps it cleaner, and the dust doesn't get so stirred up. I also keep my flashlight handy so I can see in there. So keep that tip in mind so that you can keep the fridge and freezer cool when it gets hot and steamy this summer. For the Newsbeat Today, I'm Dale Cranston.
Well, it looks like you're never too old to walk the beat.